Not only that,
alright, just because I told you I was.
Street. There's nothing but like a
Part 2.
wall.
They actually came through with the plow. Got done shoveling last night, as you can see. And yeah, this is the standpoint. Now the bad part? Let's see. They don't leave us enough room where we can make a turn. And then they stop just over there. Remember those 4 vehicles that had that big ass snow mound behind them? Well, it's the aftermath. This is what happens. Oh yeah, by the way, here's my big puddle. Anybody got a fishing rod? Bet you I can catch a nice size bass in here. Actually, no, it ain't that deep. But, oh, this is what happens after a massive storm in New England. Now, I know what some guys are asking. Why didn't they maintain it? Well, because the area I live in, the board members didn't want to sign a contract to have a payloader out here. So now they're going to have a payloader come out. A lot of the, like where I live, we pay common charges and whatnot. We actually own all these units. But the only problem is, if the board member doesn't want to spend money, guess what? We're the ones who get screwed. And I'm not saying that like it is right now, because after 12 o'clock at night, or 12 o'clock in the afternoon, no plow came out here Friday. You know, they all got told to go home. But that's kind of what happens when you have people who get overpaid. They don't know what they're doing.